How to upload photos to iCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can upload photos to iCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to upload photos to iCloud, you might have lots of photos clicked in on your iOS that you might not want to keep here and you want to back them up to iCloud. For that, all you have to do is open the settings application on your iPhone, then tap your Apple ID profile from the very top of the screen, then just go to the option right here that says iCloud. Then from here you can see photos. Now in my case I have turned off photos backup because my iCloud storage isn't really enough, as they only provide 5 GB of storage. But nevertheless, if you'd like to turn that on, you can turn on sync this iPhone and you can go to manage storage and then delete the ones that are on your iPhone. This way you can upload photos to iCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.